Hey y'all, welcome back to Dennis Run Beyond the Beaten Path. We're going to work on another shelving tote unit today. We got two to build. One's going to hold 4 and one will hold 10. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to tell your friends, like it, and subscribe. Well, let's get started. So you can see right here, we've already got the horizontals laid out. These are they're going to be two. We're building these ones here sideways. So we've got one here and one here. One will be 5 high, which will make a 10. And one will just be 2 high, which will make a 4. So we already got these laid out. We got to cut it. But these will be all of our horizontal pieces. So right now, I'm laying out for the verticals. This one here is going to be the 5 unit. Makes a total of 10. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. To keep from laying this out every time, we'll just transfer our marks. Okay, so now we need 4 verticals for our 4 tote rack, 2 high. We'll have a 2-inch caster, 1.5 2x4 bottom plate, tote, space for the tote to go in, 1.5 for the top plate, and then 1/2 inch for the plywood top. So our top here, this is going to be like a little work shelf, storage shelf. It'll be 37 inches high. We need to make a mark right here. 3 inches. And we need to make 4 of these. So, keep from wasting wood, 11. 26 3/4. Half. That's 3 inches. So we get 3 verticals out of 1 2 before. Verticals for 1 tote rack.
Expect to you'll see is the gun, and this interferes with my ability to get a good grip on the gun. So what I've done here is just accessible. I can really get my hand in there.
So what you can see now, this is the front. That way you can lock it. The back ones I'll put back here. In the back, you can't get to it anyway, it's against the wall. And lock it up there now, so it don't move around. I tell you, there's something relaxing to me, enjoyable, about running the table saw. I can just do it for hours. It makes a mess. Going to use this winch. See in another video that I made. I use this winch all the time ever since I put this thing up. It just helps hold things up. So what I'm doing now is starting to put the slats on. I'll put the screw in it. You got to come up with certain ways to do things by yourself. That's where that winch comes in handy, just to hold it for me. Put the clamp on it. Put the screw in it. Then it'll be secure. So what I'm doing now is just pre-drilling holes for the screws so that I don't split the wood. Sometimes I get busy working. If I had all the slats put in, I thought, oh shoot, better do some filming before I put the last one in. So that's where we're at right now. We're putting the last slat in. So what I do, or what I'm going to do, this is my first time building them sideways like this. So what I'm going to do, just for extra support, we'll go 1.5 inches just like the rest of them, but we're going to put another slat across here, all the way across. At least that'll help hold some of the, the weight. I don't think it'll be a problem, but usually I got the slats, the boxes are running this way, and I don't worry about the support. I mean, these are built for that. So we're going to put a slat across here just because it's a little extra security. I don't want the owner to have a problem. And I'm going to build me something like this myself up in my garage. So that's what we're doing now. So we need 14 28 inches long. We're going to rip them in half, so we need 7. Got 7 more pieces here. Let me get that done and I'll get back with you. That's what I was talking about. Put this slat in here like that. That'll help hold it. This will be on the back anyhow. So make it good. Just extra support. See, this is the front. I think that'll work. All right, let's get the rest of them put up. So as you can tell, I put 45s in here just to give it like rigid. And then here on the, I finished off all the back supports with both of them. Be good and strong. Now we'll put plywood on top, plywood there for shelves, extra shelf up there, and a work table over there. Well, so you don't have to, but I would recommend when I get over to the owner, the client, what I'd recommend is screw these together once we get them in place. Make everything just all one unit. But you don't have to. You just separate it. But I got pre-drilled for that. There it is. And this thing is sturdy. Holds around really good. I think I'll put some coats in it, see what it looks like. I don't know if I told it or not. These are 27-gallon what brand? Commander storage tote. You see that? You get them at Lowe's. I think Home Depot sells them. I'm not sure, but I know Lowe's is where I buy them. They're heavy duty. They're mouse proof. Let's see. They slide right in there. Let me get these all loaded up. And we'll take another look at it. I mean, check this thing out. I really like this one. It is 21 inches wide, 12 feet long. Make sure you get all that. See all of it? Yeah. So it's got a plywood top for extra storage on top. Storage right here or workbench, whichever. It's sturdy. It's got lockable casters here on the front. There's 4 total, 2 on each unit. You separate them. This will roll off separate. I mean, look at that. Nice. You get what you want. Yeah, this is a really nice unit. I like this one. I like it because it's narrow. Like in a garage, it won't stick out. It won't take up so much space. Of course, you get more in an area if you run them this way, but yeah, most garages ain't very wide, so you got to get them narrow. I really do like this unit. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you like this channel, if you stuck with me this long to watch this project, hit that like and that subscribe button. There'll be more projects coming. Have a good day. Keep on carpentering. And some final thoughts. y'all in the area, you can stop by and help me clean this mess up. Have a good day. I also wanted to add, now you can really tell the extra bracing in the back. This whole back edge. We're getting there. I mean, that's not too bad of a scrap pile. I don't like to waste stuff. Well, we got her all cleaned up. The floor looking pretty good. Let's get my bench cleaned up. Glad y'all stuck with me, helped me get cleaned up here. Well, we're all loaded. Ready to get it shipped. Let's get out of here.